the computer's not controlling this relay. With the relay energized, I get power to those fuses. We may have our 5-volt reference back. Just going down the line on these guys, just to see if I have any type of reference voltage at all. 1.3 volts, 1.3 volts, 1.3 volts. That's a nice guide, actually. This one that's 1.35, that's my 5-volt reference. These two that are 1.33 are your 2 TPS signal wires. These should all be 5 right now. This is the biased voltage type potentiometers that I talk about in chapter 7 that has the resistor that feeds across. But I know that these are probably my signal wires because the voltage is just slightly lower. You can do a lot with your fundamentals once you know it, but that should be 5 volts. It's not. So even with this EFI circuit powered up all the way, we're still missing a 5-volt reference here, man.